So hi, we are Team Split, and our protocol is about cost per transaction based referral system SDK. So we built into SDK so that business can easily integrate these referral systems. So there are three main features in this crypto set. One, it changes really fast. Second, we have very fragmented community. And the last, network effect is almost everything. So we want to make the protocol and SDK that can leverage everything, these our features. So this is like, let's say you are the business owner and you want to make a referral program. Then if you're a marketer, you have to go to developer and can you do this for me? Well, you don't have to do this anymore because we have this protocol. Let's go to the advertise project part. And here, as you are a marketer or non-developer, you can just come here and set the data that you have to put in. You can give the information about your services, and then you can choose which network are you gonna deploy on. Then let's go next. And then you can add the event. This can be on-chain, which is transaction. This can also be off-chain, non-transactions. So this time we're gonna choose swap. But don't get me wrong, you can just stake or wallet connect or whatever. But this time, let's do swap. Then on the bottom part, you can see address for incentive token. So this can be native token or the token that is being used on your own debt. So you can reward whatever you want as a token. And you just see like incentive amount for affiliate. This means like how much will referrer will get. And the other side, you can see the incentive amount per user. So not only referrer, but also referee who use the link can also get some portion of token so that it makes sense, like a win-win. And on the bottom side is the total transactions. So you can just set the how many times are you gonna allow these people to make reward. So like this, like for now, like 100%, 100 multiplies 100. So that is the amount of budget that you're gonna use for this campaign. Then if you add event, then it automatically generates the SDK code. So you can just bring up to this your developer and ask him to just integrate it right away. So this is really simple. You can easily check your PMF using our SDK. Also, if you're a very mature service, you can do many A/B tests because you can run several campaigns at the same time. And then after, let's say we already integrated this SDK on the product, and our product is called Dopeng Swap. And this user, so we put swap as the required event. Then user will swap shoe token to kite token, swap it. And then user just receive the split. And how it works is this data will go to our Oracle server and check it if it's working. And within 24 hours, it will collect the data and put it onto transaction so that it rewards users based on their token. And let's say you're a user and you have done making these transactions and you know that Split and Dopeng Swap made a partnerships. So you go to Split and go to the Earn dashboard and you can check how much you earn. So we have a plan to make these features just like a marketplace so the referrers can just enter and choose the best fit. So like there can be many types of projects they are making this kind of NFTs or these sections. This time, Dopeng Swap is the one that I interacted with, and as you see, like total earn is 1 token, and you can claim the reward. And as you see, like there's a monthly part. You can check how much you earn on a monthly basis, and also on entire period, so that like who are like professional referrers, they can easily check data and see how much you earn and how much your influence is working. We are going to make this also for the business side so that business owner can easily check how campaigns are doing so far. We come up with this idea because there are so many good communities that are not known to us, like who are making services. And like there are so many KOLs, but there's unknown KOLs who can perform even better. And we want to empower them. We want them to use their influence to generate more oil for them. This will be win-win to both us and users. Because when you think of a Galaxy or a Keston, there's so many bot attack and there are not many good users, So because it's a cost per transaction, we don't lose anything. So ROI efficiency really reaches high. So this is why we come up with this idea. And yes, like basically this is about us. Yes. So yeah, 3 seconds left.